Okay, check this out. So this is a garbage truck, most probably. Tignan nyo yung itsura. Nice! So from RV Studio, Autobot Off-Road. Very nice. So you have a lot of different products from polishing, like roofies, roofes, and yan. So pag nandito kayo, check it out. Tapos they have the auto count. Grabe. Okay, this is the booth from... Grabe. From Carbon Zone. Very nice. Grabe, ganda. Carbon Zone Unlimited. So you have the GTR, you have Supra, tapos you have 370Z. Very nice. Guys, check this out. Look. Nice, no? Galing. Very nice. Tapos yung artwork ng tarpaulin. Panyuhay. Galing. Solid. Very nice.